When you tell someone what to do, they don't resist the action. They resist the loss of choice. People are not motivated by commands. They're motivated by autonomy. Reverse psychology works because the mind protects its sense of freedom. When someone feels pressured, judged, or controlled, the mind pushes back to reclaim independence. This is called reactance. It's not stubbornness, it's self-protection. The more directly you try to force a behavior, the more the mind searches for a way to say no. Not because it disagrees, but because the request threatens identity. So persuasion is not about pushing harder. It's about removing the pressure entirely. When you say, "You don't have to do this," "You're free to make your own choice," or "It's completely up to you," you return autonomy to the other person. And something shifts. The mind relaxes. The defense lowers. The person is now able to choose freely, and surprisingly, they often choose the option that was suggested all along. Not because they were manipulated, but because they no longer feel controlled. Reverse psychology is not a trick. It's the understanding that people move toward what feels like their own decision. So the next time you need someone to take action, release the pressure, offer freedom, invite the choice rather than demanding it. Influence happens most naturally when the mind feels safe to choose. If understanding how the mind works resonates with you, subscribe and continue this journey with us.